Welcome to the Froggy Bros, where the Froggy Lord me and Froggy 2.
Froggy 2.
And today we're playing Frog. Don't press the button. 3.
Wait, why am I oh, SCP. No, no. Get in. Wait, what?
Elevator.
Shut the
Did
door.
I just break your ears? I feel like I just broke
Wait, it shut it. But it was open.
Oh, no.
Wait, what? Go here, shut the door. No, don't.
13.
Let me shut the door.
I'm trying to shut the door. Get out the way.
The person who made me start wanting to
Get
play
out the
Minecraft
way.
stopped.
And
Get
It's
inside, you
That
stupid
is such...
panda.
What?
222 IQ.
Can we just agree that Kansas...
wait, is that? Oh, oh,
Ah.
what? That's not fair.
It kinda is.
Do you want to just...
I mean, maybe it is. What?
Bum, 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 bum.
See if we can get some...
Minecraft.
I audio on and it's somebody just screaming. Like what? No.
Oh, I died.
How?
I died.
Yeah.
I
lost my
died.
mom with the cancer.
Wait, I got a ping. I'll be right back.
I was stuck in this tiny space that I could see.
Cancer, I hate it.
Just watching this one person run from so many zombies. Okay, now it's not.
You're only level 7.
Hey, press the button. Yay.
I did.
Oh, no,
I
not
did.
yay. Not yay.
I pressed it. I pressed it.
No, I pressed it.
No, I did.
Haha, I survived.
It says you
Oh,
can do 11 hours
you
ago.
shouldn't do that.
I don't think anyone else survived.
Oh, that's not fair. We all glitched through the sky.
That was so close.
That's not fair. This game's bad.
I still made it.
No, it's only because you're the person who survived. Everybody else flew through the sky and glitched. What? Help me, my pants got... Excuse me? Excuse me? Help.
Maybe one of your sisters around here.
Bing.
Maybe your dad.
Panda, get off my head.
What?
Get off.
Why?
What?
Oh, we could have just stand on the button.
Oh, we could have.
Play no
Well, I don't know why. I don't know why I died, but I shouldn't have. Coughing dance.
Wait, maybe that's what. Maybe he was on because of it.
I am going to die. I'm in the
What?
coffin.
I know.
Yay.
This is gonna be a long
Wait, why'd you just leave Fortnite? Since you
Boom.
work in and then you left.
Fortnite.
I pressed the
Are you
button.
in for
Oh,
that?
that
Oh.
was so close.
How long?
But
Are you gonna play Minecraft? Yeah.
oh, car.
Do we still have a server?
First one to get in the car. Woo! Oh my gosh. That was fun.
Ah.
Oh,
My car flipped.
my car flipped too.
But
Not
Ah.
even close, baby. Techno.
I survived.
Well, I did it because
Oh.
it's stuck.
What? Yeah.
No.
Oh, you can't.
Not.
By the way, you
not-
can't
not
stand on the
Sarah,
button.
though.
Yes, we can.
He never
No.
dies in our hearts. I mean, I know. He never died in Minecraft. He never lost a duel. He never lost a duel. Cause he didn't lose to cancer because because
Oh
when,
shoot. It's a
when
tornado.
the person that the cancer is in dies, then that cancer also dies, which means it was a draw. He still hasn't lost. lost a
This
few of them.
is beautiful
Now
brick.
he's on his way to go fight.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside.
We get Minecraft artwork.
Yeah.
Ah, it's the Blacksburg TV.
Wait,
If
block
anybody
it.
plays,
Block it.
Bad things are happening in my life.
no, that's Blacksburg.
And then you just
Block
come in
it.
with
Wait, what's
more
behind
sandwiches
it?
that they're
Block
gonna
What's
it.
behind
you
it?
have to put
No,
them
it's
over.
it's Blacksburg.
You know, my dog is only a year
Wait, stand right
younger
here.
than Lola.
Man.
Bing.
So,
Bing.
and my
Come on, Rocky Lord,
dog
get in.
is
Yeah. Why am I so big?
Yeah,
Because
so
you're
I'm
fat.
playing Minecraft, right? And I make like this TNT dispenser. I'll show you the destruction.
What?
This is
The
the
heck?
destruction.
Oh, I see what that. I see what we have to do. Wait, come in. No, no zombies. There's zombies.
I know, don't come in.
I almost died.
I think I know what it
There's a
is.
secret place.
I got an idea. Okay.
There.
I almost died.
Don't go into the secret place because there's zombies in there.
Okay.
No, it
That's
wasn't,
To
it wasn't the
absolutely-
secret place you were thinking about. It was another secret place.
I'm about to absolutely destroy something.
Oh my gosh, I spawned exactly inside it.
Dispenser,
Wow!
red.
I think Technoblade just put TNT down. Like,
Oh. Wow.
he exploded my Minecraft house.
Oh.
Oh shoot.
Oh, it's shooting at us. I thought it was gonna take a picture of us.
Get it? Oh shoot.
Oh.
Yeah, I make
Yes.
horrible jokes.
Oh, we can just step on it. Bong. What? Ow.
I still haven't died in a while.
Ah! Why are they shooting me?
Ow.
It's that. No. Ah, I almost died. I survived. Oh,
What is this? Ah.
look up in the sky. This panda guy just messed me up.
I just stand still. Why don't I have legs? Why don't I have feet? I don't have
I don't
feet.
know.
I'm not tall anymore.
Ah. Let's sit down.
Wait, jump on top of me.
Bong.
No, I
It's a
wanna-
solid brick.
no.
Here, I'll get you up. I'll get you up.
I
Here,
was mad
go
for
mine.
the TNT
Yay.
dispenser.
It's just a block. Yeah, I got up too. I'm big.
Ow.
Oh, everybody's the same size. So it's actually. Let's go in the elevator.
But we'll die.
Wait a minute.
Press the button.
Right?
We have to press the
Oh,
button
flip.
as many times as we can.
Huh?
Come on, we'll shut the door. Come on. Watch out! Watch out! It's gonna shut.
Where my dispenser was.
Rocky Lord, it's gonna shut. I'm trying to make it shut.
How did this
It's
happen?
What?
That's what I'm trying to figure out right now because my dispenser is right
Yeah,
here,
there you go.
and I'm 100%
No.
sure that that was.
What? Why?
How
Get
many-
out.
We have 3.
There's nobody in this one. Like, get out. Go floor free. Bruh. These people are annoying. However, I can make one of these games where I just put an elevator. What happened to your feet?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering.
Hey, everybody's gonna fall out of the sky.
What?
Why?
Cause if you're in that part, it will kick you off. What's up?
I'm hungry.
Alright, I've made it.
Uh,
And
You're
we don't
hungry?
have to worry about the time limit, so yay.
Whoa.
I'll take you on what happens.
What?
Wait, why did,
Oh, this didn't go the right way.
what just happened? How did I survive?
I don't know, but I did too. What?
Oh, shoot.
Oh!
Well, it exploded everywhere because it didn't shoot out like
I survived.
Same.
So instead, I'm going to make a sheep launcher.
Wait, what?
But
What's that? What's that? There's a Tix bar.
I want it.
Whatever. it is.
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh my god! What the heck is that?
Not just a launch roller.
The Teletubby.
Where am I?
It's Glit.
I think it was angry because
Where am I?
I don't know. L Teletubby W players.
What up, loose dog?
I'm stuck in somewhere.
Uh-oh. And
This-
how
I'm
much
stuck
how much
in a
time
pla-
do we have?
What do
How
you
much
mean?
time do we have? Like, what do you like? I'm asking. Do we have enough time or no
For what?
for the video?
Do we start a new,
Oh, that's right. We can go over 15 minutes.
yeah,
I
but
forgot.
we don't have a server.
Ah, shoot.
But oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Wah.
I don't know if my name on Steam is my real name, or if it's Crump Nugget. So if you guys want to friend me on Steam, try Crump Nugget, but I'm not going to tell you my real name. I'm just not like that. Pizza! Wait, do I have pizza in my inventory? No. Hi, give me it. I need
Six.
pizza. Six.
Sheep launcher?
What
Oh.
is this?
What?
Oh, you have to look.
But nobody survived. I want to be right on top of the...
What?
What? Bro, they think they're still here. We're not. Oh, explode. Now we're dropping bars. Oh, it's this level again. This is getting boring with this level.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Okay. Come on, let's go.
Well,
on
I
this
guess
one.
that's the end of our video.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make a game after this.
Okay. Bye, Friday
If you want-
friends.